All right. So a lot of people in the voice acting community or voiceover community that are newer or starting out, or even that have done it for a while, want to know kind of where to find jobs. Now, if you've done coaching or you've done classes, they're going to teach you how to get voiceover jobs, voice acting jobs, whatever type of work specifically you're looking for. But today I'm going to tell you uh, three different websites where you can find voiceover work. Now, number one, if you're a complete beginner and you want to find some voice acting or voiceover work, and you're not too experienced or you want to gain more experience or whatnot, my recommendation that's helped me out a lot, where you can get a ton of auditions for pretty cool projects as well, would be castingcallclub.com. Now, castingcallclub.com, they have a ton of people looking for voices or voice actors um, for their, indie animations, indie games, their projects, their college projects, all sorts of different stuff, all sorts of different things. And a lot of them are going to be for, they're looking for voices for free or whatnot. So if you're completely brand new and you just want to get some practice, that is a good place to start. But there are also a lot of paid projects on there as well. Now, it's not going to pay anywhere near um, GVA rates or standard union rates or anything like that. So a lot of the work is not going to be up to par with what a typical professional voice actor is going to make. But if you're just getting started out and you're a beginner and you want to get that audition practice and maybe try a couple of smaller projects, that is definitely, and I still use it to this day because there's a lot of cool projects on there that I'm passionate about that I like to audition for and also just practice my auditions. So I would definitely recommend giving Casting Call Club a shot and see if that works for you. Now, if you've been voice acting for a while, or if you want to jump straight into a more professional website where you can find more professional work for the most part, I typically use voices.com, or you can also use voices123.com. Both websites are pay to play sites where you do have to buy a subscription to be able to get the best use of the website. There is a free membership on, I believe, both sites, um, but it's going to be a lot more um, beneficial and useful if you're actually paying for a subscription and you're actually looking to make a career out of voiceover. If you're going to use voices.com or voices123 and you're planning on making well over the subscription fee price, then you're probably going to want to buy the subscription. It is a hefty price for some, but if you do it professionally, you'll make up that in one or two gigs that you book. I personally use voices.com mostly just because it works a little bit better for me. Not getting into any of the details or whatnot with some of the drama that can surround some of these sites or whatnot, but just for your knowledge, you do want to make sure every job you book, that you're looking into the details, the fine prints, making sure whether they're going to use your voice for AI or if they're going to use your voice in perpetuity, whether that's broadcasted or non-broadcasted. So you want to make sure you're looking into all that in every single job you do, and just make sure you know what you're signing up for, no matter what website you're using. But yeah, those are three different websites that you can use to find voice over work. Happy voice acting. Yay! I'll catch you guys later. Thanks for chilling. Thanks for watching. See ya.